So hello friends, welcome back to the channel. There has been a lot of news in the automotive sector in the month of December. So we had a Tata Sierra launch, then we had a new generation of Kia Seltos, and there will be also a lot of new upcoming launches in the month of January 2026. So we already have the Tata Punch facelift, the Mahindra XUV 700 facelift as well. So they have now changed the name from 700 to 7XO. The Kushaq is up for an update. Rumors are it will be updated in the month of January itself. Then we have Renault Duster making a comeback on 26th of January. So yeah, lot of exciting new launches in the month of January. There are a few terms like new product launch or a new vehicle launch, facelift, new generation of vehicles. So what does this terms mean as far as the automotive sector is concerned? First we'll start with what is a new product. A company or a manufacturer spends a lot of money and time on the research and development, on the market study, on the testing, design and development whenever they plan to launch a new vehicle. It is not an easy job to get any vehicle from the sketchboard to the production ready stage. So there are a lot of people involved, there are a lot of resources involved. Let's consider there are a lot of engineers working together with the testing team, with the management, with the drivers, with the marketing team. So all these people working together for at least 3 to 4 years, all this work put together, they are able to build a vehicle. So manufacturer needs to take into consideration a lot of factors while developing a new product. Like they need to do a lot of market study, what kind of features they need to include in the new vehicle, at what price point the vehicle will be revealed, what will be the chassis rigidity, what will be the engine options with compatible fuel types, what will be the suspension setup of a new vehicle, and there are lots of other things. So there is a lot at stake as far as a manufacturer is concerned, because there are always ifs and buts whether how good the customers will receive a particular vehicle. So I will give you two classic examples of two very good products. The first one is the Kia Ceros. It was launched somewhere around Feb or March 2025. So it is a very good car. It has got a lot of features. It has got around 3 engine options: the naturally aspirated engine, the turbo petrol engine, diesel engines. It has got both manual and automatic transmission options. Then it is loaded with features. I mean, you name it and it has it. So initially when it was launched, it did sales of around 3000 to 4000 units per month. That is pretty good sale number, but after 3 to 4 months the sales number dropped to below 1000 units. So what do you think might be a reason for such a good product to sell in such a less numbers? So second example is the Skoda Kayak. So Kayak was launched around the similar timeline when the Kia Ceros was launched. So Kayak is not really a very feature loaded vehicle. So it has got the basic things. It has got a very good engine, though it has only one engine option. It has got a very good engine. It has got manual as well as the automatic transmission, the torque converter automatic. It doesn't get a panoramic sunroof, it doesn't get ADAS, it doesn't get 360-degree camera, but what it has is the basics sorted. The Kayak, when it was launched, since the month it was launched, it is consistently doing around 3000 units per month for Skoda. So these numbers for a manufacturer like Skoda coming from Volkswagen Group, these are pretty good numbers considering their sales and service touch points. So what do you think is the reason the Ceros is not doing good in the Indian market? Why did the customers didn't receive the product well, and why do you think the Kayak was received so very well in the Indian market? So I would happy to know your views on this. So this is about a new product launch from a manufacturer. There is another way a manufacturer can showcase their R&D or what they have in their stable to the customers by launching facelifts and updating the existing models in their lineup. So they do it in two ways. So the first one is the generation change of a vehicle. So it is a complete overhaul of an existing vehicle which is on sale for that particular manufacturer, or a manufacturer can give their vehicle facelift. So it can be a major or a minor facelift. So this video will get too long, so I would like to stop it here. I will cover the difference between the generation update and the facelift update in the next video. So thank you for tuning in. I will see you in the next video.